Ready to elevate your design skills? Welcome to the ultimate guide for mastering material configuration and additional objects to create a steel construction in DigiPara Liftdesigner. Start with the foundation, material configuration. From concrete walls to custom textures, you'll have the power to shape your project exactly the way you want it. Choose your materials, set your patterns, adjust your scaling. Your design, your rules. But we're not stopping there. With additional objects, you can go beyond the basics. Add child objects, customize profiles, and create complex structures with ease. Need additional wall openings? No problem! Control the size, depth, and exact position. Make every opening fit your vision perfectly. Then, it's time for the details. Creating a steel shaft in just a few steps, starting with additional wall openings. Easily add corner profiles with the help of additional child objects. Using powerful equations to position each profile precisely where you need it, saving time with the right skills while keeping your design sharp. And finally, the grand final, ring constructions. You can group additional child objects, combine components, copy and position them with ease, and build your project layer by layer. Get ready to transform your designs with the slanted roof feature in DigiPara Liftdesigner. From left-facing to right-facing, front and rear combinations. Customize each roof with exact angles, thicknesses and offsets. Push the boundaries with our untypical slanted roof design. Unique angles, custom configurations and original ceilings. This roof stands out from the rest. Adjust every detail with precision. Material choices, wall thickness and roof offsets. Whether it's wood, concrete or anything in between, you control it all. And to top it all off, we'll show you how to reinforce your slanted roofs with upper beams. Essential for strength, stability and ensuring your design lasts. From materials to structures and roofs, you have the tools to create something truly unique in DigiPara Liftdesigner. Ready to elevate your designs? Watch the full playlist now and master material configuration, additional objects, and the slanted roof feature. Start creating today!